upstate New York, outside of Ithaca, Taughannock Falls, 215 feet higher than Niagara Falls. Drive to the top, nice overlook, very easy walk. And when you're done up here, you're going to drive down to the lower entrance, easy path. You're going to walk to the base of the falls. You're going to walk right next to this creek. Really nice view from down here. This is the first falls we saw on our way up to the Finger Lakes. It's the easiest one to see. Nice way to start the trip.